Hello YouTube and welcome to Langport. Today I thought I'd start by showing you the reason why Langport was established in this spot, and it is primarily due to one thing: the River Perrett. The Perrett cuts its way through two areas of higher ground, and originally the surrounding lowland would have been marshes, making it difficult to travel across, so the early settlers created a causeway linking the two elevated areas, culminating in a bridge that spanned the river. The Perrett was vital for the importation of goods and provided an excellent defensible position, so it quickly became an important trading spot for the local settlements. But it was only in Saxon times when Langport began to grow into a town in its own right, and was one of the few historic towns within Somerset that had an urban development that predates the Norman conquest. It has been suggested by Professor Elert Eckwall, once the leading authority on English place names, that Langport originates from Long Town or Long Market, rather than what we might seem to be the obvious possibility of Long Port. This may refer to the extensive development, especially during the medieval period, that sprung up along Bow Street and extended through Cheapside and continued up to the top of the hill. A number of listed structures from that time still survive today, including Bow Bridge, the Hanging Chapel, and the two churches, All Saints and St Mary's. All Saints Church, designed in a perpendicular style, dominates the top of the hill and overlooks the moors below, with Mulchney Abbey and Ham Hill visible in the distance. Whilst the church was largely built in the 15th and 16th centuries, like most churches of its time, it utilised materials and salvaged elements from earlier buildings on the site. The oldest reused feature of the church is a Romanesque stone carving which now sits over the south door and dates back as far as the 12th century. The east window at the end of the chancel is particularly noteworthy, as its brightly coloured depiction of various saints still contains the full set of the original 15th century stained glass. As you exit the church, the west window commemorates one of Langport's most famous sons, the renowned economist, businessman and writer Walter Bagehot. Bagehot's father was managing director of the prestigious and powerful Stuckey's Bank, and was able to send his son to university in London, where he studied mathematics and trained for the bar, but Walter decided to come back to Langport and follow his father into banking. More details of Walter Bagehot can be seen at the Walter Bagehot Town Garden, which can be accessed under the arches of the Town Hall on Bow Street, opposite the old headquarters of Stuckey's Bank, and where Bagehot was born. Nowadays, Langport has plenty to offer its visitors, with its bustling town centre, a selection of cafes and restaurants, and the River Perrett still in the heart of the town. There are many ways you can explore the area, either on foot on the Riverside Walk, by bike on the Perrett cycle track, and even on the water, as it's a popular location for canoeing and paddleboarding. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for our next videos.